The rules and regulation. Health benefits of mainit hot spring. Wow. O, diba? Benefits are blood can help boost your blood circulation, and also it can aid in natural pain reduction and rehabilitation. Wow. And healing hot spring water can also improve skin irritations and conditions. And lastly, enjoy reduce stress levels and detoxify naturally. Pak! Oh, perfect. So, that's why we're here. Kay need you dinamo. Diba? Oh, healing. You need a healing, right?
Main mo na kang heal, ma'am.
So, daghan siyang benefits. Actually, ang mainit hot spring. Pak.
Lines, ma'am.
And also the